Alright, so just a quick video again. Transom plate and how it's holding up. As you can see, the water line is right about here. This water line is when I'm fishing up at the bow. When I'm at the bow, there's more weight, so it lifts this back end up, and that's the normal water line there. If I'm sitting in the back and I'm operating the mud motor, this is the water line here. So these bolts are underwater. These two up top, those four, are almost never underwater unless I'm like way in the back and I got two people or something. But I'm normally by myself, so the water line stays here and these bolts stay underwater. This whole thing never leaks. It's staying flat. Never loosened. They all look good. The epoxy's holding up. It's all there. No issues. So if you got any worries, this worked for me and it works. Inside the boat, I do like having the washers or the head of the bolts in there, so I don't have these to trip on. That's why I face them this way, so the threads don't catch anything that's inside the boat, whether that's your leg, fishing line, anything like that. This is under the motor, so nothing really goes here. It's not going to catch grass or anything weird like that. So transom plate, Jon Boat, fixing the bowing, supporting it, whatever you need to do. 1/4 inch T6 hardened aluminum plate. Works great. Just make sure to bevel the edges and use a good amount of 5200. For the bolts I used, I think it was like the 4200 or 4000 or something, which is non-permanent, so that way you can remove them without too much trouble. So works great.